Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a double plane. Now a double plane isn't a plane which has plane on the top of the plane, okay? So you see, this is a plane. This is a plane. You see the sides? It's double. This is the bottom of the plane and this is the top of the plane. Choose your paper you want. You want a newspaper, you want a magazine paper, on the A4 sheet paper, or you want a A4 sheet colored paper. Choose what you want and then let's get started. So I'm choosing the magazine paper. We don't have to do it like this. It's the wrong way. You have to do it like this. So first do a rectangle and from here and here. Next, from this corner, you go like this. Same thing this side. Once you're done with this, okay, pause, stop. Pause the video to see if you got everything correct. Move on. So then pull it then the same thing do here. Same thing here. When you're trying to fold it might be a bit up, so you actually can't fold it. So before that you have to push it. This, you can do it thick or you can do it big. I'm doing it like this. When you do the other side, it should be same. Same size something. Yeah. Before you still see here and you have to make it thin. And finished. To make it fly, stick it. Now, if you want to know where to stick it, you have to stick it here. You can color the wings and the inside and the bottom and it will look good. Even if you're using an old newspaper or an old magazine paper, it will, and if you color it, it will still look good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe and I'll see you guys next time.